Welcome back to another episode. Phil Super here. Today, my name is Phil, and today I have a really stupid idea that I want to try as I'm getting hit in the head with this. So, I found a couple extra cans of spray paint off my room that I got solely because they have the certain little lever hand nozzle thingy that I like. That's just super easy, gets a nice flat pattern. Anyway, I bought a couple of them so I can get that. But now I have two extra cans of black paint, and it's not normal black paint, it's textured like that metal look that you'll spray for like crafty stuff that wouldn't work on anything that I'm using. So I want to try spray painting my carpet. Okay, I know initially that sounds really stupid, like, Philip, what are you doing? Don't spray paint your carpet. But here's a couple reasons. Let me see if I can get a little light in there. First off is the fact that my carpet is gray and it's old and it's already tattered up, as you can kind of see in there. So it's already pretty beat up. And what I'm thinking is that I might as well just give it a shot. I've spray painted the carpet before in another friend's car way back in my prime in high school, like junior year, and we were just messing around. I honestly was like, what the heck, why not do it? The car's gonna be sitting for a while, so it's gonna have plenty of time to air out. I just want to give it a shot, honestly. It's kind of, yeah, I should just shut up and stop talking because this is a really stupid idea, which is great, so I'm going to do it. Anyway, first things first though, I have made a complete and utter mess of the garage while we're here. Been working on the car, not only over there, but also on the counters over here, and all these wires spread around over there. Hey, look at that nice bumper all fit on there. Still haven't found the back bolts to plug it in, by the way. But first things first, I'm going to go ahead and set you guys down, and we're going to clean up the garage because it badly needs it, and it's been long overdue since I said I was going to do it. So, I'll put you guys down, get a little time-lapse montage of me cleaning the garage, so yay.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you want.
So, the other side's cleared out. But the other side's cleared out, and I tried taking the seats out, but it's cold and I cannot get them to move. Can't even get a bolt to budge. So, since we're spray painting this, and spray paint is dumb and probably not gonna work, which means it's gonna work, it means that we're just gonna be lazy and vacuum it out and then vacuum and spray paint. And that's what's up next. So, we're gonna vacuum and then we'll spray paint. Alright, so we painted it, and I don't know if you could tell, but it actually looks pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, if it'll even focus. So yeah, you can kind of see better there. There's that black contrast versus the gray. And the nice part is that the car's just going to be sitting around for another month probably, so it'll have plenty of time to dry and air out before we get to use it, and I'm totally going to vacuum it and see how long it'll last. Even from a stand back, I'm happy with it. Now that just the seats are the only thing that's black. I'm even so happy with it, I'm going to carry on and we're going to move everything from the back to the front and get that back trunk carpet cleaned out. But that one we can pull out. So that's the plan for that. Let's go ahead and open the trunk, pull it out, and get more painting because that's a lot of fun. I'm not going to lie, it's pretty enjoyable. Alright, it's a new day right now and I left the paint in here. But what's going on today? We're finishing up painting the carpet, so this is probably the same episode as before, so I don't know why I'm making a new introduction, but that's the plan because last time we were working on it, I said I was going to do the trunk, and I'm still planning to. I just kind of realized I'd made quite a bit of a mess in my car, so I need to clear that out, and I had other things going on in about half an hour from after that video, so today's the date that we get to clean out the trunk and get that thing painted. Woohoo! So yeah, I don't know if you can see back there, got a whole bunch of mess going on in there, and we need to get to that carpet that's underneath. And so we're gonna go ahead and just try to clean all that out. So we also need to probably take the wing off again so we can open up the trunk. But I'll set you guys down and we'll just get rolling on that. Alright, so we got all the trunk cleared out, and or the whole back seat cleared out, and here's the carpet that we're going to be painting. It's this right here. I wanted to show you guys this now so you could see the difference of something. What am I going to say? So here's the difference. This is what it looks like before. We got this gray carpet. I'm going to pull it out and rattle can of black because that's the technical way to do things. I'm going to see if I can move around and show you guys the other carpet. Nope, never mind. So let's just go ahead and pull this out, set it up, and then paint it.
Down for my love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the...
So I finished up painting the carpet, and hopefully it looks decent on camera. It actually looks a lot better in person. All these stripes that you're seeing, those are just actually waves in the carpet. Let's see if I can get a little closer to show you. Yeah, like these bumps right there. That's not stripes in the paint, that's just waves in the carpet. So it's actually one solid color. And there's no striping, which is fantastic. And I honestly think it looks super duper good. So this is what the inside carpet looks like. I'm sure you guys could see that transformation as I was painting it. Before it was all stained. Yes, there's some dust on it. I'd shaken it off, but it was all clean. So anyway, I think I'm getting interrupted. Okay, but anyway, yeah, that's what it looks like if you spray paint a carpet black. Wait a bit for it to dry, then I'll put it in. Alright, so here we are, we got the carpet back in, and I really like the look. It just looks so clean. There's no more stains down here in the corner where things have spilled. When I first got the car, there was just stains everywhere. It was a mess. I tried shampooing it and cleaning it. I completely even pulled the whole thing out, set it down in my driveway over there, sprayed it with degreaser, and just went to town on it with this broom actually, and I just completely coated it in soap and just like scrubbed it hard for a good like 5-10 minutes, and then tried spraying it off and then cleaning it and shampooing it again, and those stains that you saw before I painted it were still there. So now with this, it just looks so much better. So remember, this is what it looked like before. Now this is what it looks like after. So it's just so much cleaner of a difference. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Yeah, so this really leaves the only things left gray in the car are the seats here, and then this whole trim here on the side. So I'm not entirely sure what to do with this. So what I did with the door cards is, you can see there's a black, it's not just them being dark, but I painted them in black primer because that keeps it from being glossy, which I like, and so it looks more like it's just a stock color, and so that's what I like about that. And so I'm probably going to do the same with those trim pieces later on once I get some more primer or something. As for all this area, this will be covered up. I have the trim sitting over here. I just pulled it out when I was redoing everything because I can get to the screws and the lights and everything out of the way. So that's really about it for this. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. I'll keep you updated later once the car is running and we're driving again, and I'll let you guys know how long it lasts. I'm hoping it lasts well. I've heard good results from other people who've done it, so hopes are high. So anyway, that's it really for this one. Don't forget, do the usual, just like and subscribe, leave your hate in the comments, guys. Bye.